Okay, I know I'm late for a video. It sucks when life gets in the way, so when I was meant to do another video the other week, I got sick, and by the time I was better I had to go back to work, so that was annoying. And then on the weekend, my partner had a bit of a family emergency, so we had to travel, so really only had 2 days at home in the last, well, that I've been able to do anything for the last 2 weeks, so I did manage to get some stuff done on the KTM, so finished up the wiring on the indicators, so that's all done and working now. The tail light works properly. I changed the relay that's down in there for the LED indicator, so that now all works properly. They blink at the normal rate. I changed the headlight bulb again. I got rid of the LED one and put just a normal bulb in. It doesn't sort of flicker as bad. So got the mirrors on, changed the breather because that hose was stuffed, so I just got a cheap one. Pretty much the KTM's finished for registration purposes, so just go over everything that I've done to the bike since I got it. So first thing I did was get it running, so I had to clean the carb out. It's full of shit, so that was pretty easy to do, nice and simple to get out on these bikes, so that was done. Got the bike running, proved that it works, so then I could spend a bit of time and money on it. So we've changed the little things, grips, the clutch lever because the other one was broken, changed this switch out. It was sort of stuffed. The indicator one was frozen and that was a bit notchy, so that works fine. Got some cheap mirrors just so I can get it registered. It's a requirement here, so even though they look a bit dorky, they've got to be there for now. What else did we do? Indicators, headlight bulb. I put a new Speedo cable on it, which runs off the front wheel. Also changed the front tyre. It's a Motos Tractionator Enduro IT. On the back we've got the same thing, Motos Tractionator Enduro IT. Disc, the brakes were, the discs are alright, so I just changed the pads, so new pads front and rear. What else did we do? Changed all the sprockets out, so brand new front sprocket, brand new rear sprocket, and a new chain because the other one, the O-rings were just stuffed. Painted up the rear, plastics. I'm still debating whether I do it black, so the whole bike's just pretty much black and orange. Fixed up the side stand. It's still not 100%, but it's a lot better than what it was. It'll do for now. Put the tail tidy on because the original one was missing in action and really can't get another one, so that'll do for now. What else do we do? Change the relay yet for the indicators. Did the wiring mod, so LEDs will work on this bike. It's just like a resistor mod. It's about it. Change the air filter out for a brand new one. It's in there. Also changed out the gearbox oil and gave it some fresh fuel. So nothing too over the top, and it's good to go. So I was hoping to take it for a good ride this break, but life got in the way. So next break I've got a really short break. So hope to load the bike up then and take it down near the beach and give it a decent run. I've only done a couple short runs near where I live, so the other thing is put this crash pad on there. That's nothing major. So yeah, the bike's really happy with how it's turned out for just something simple. Now just to go and enjoy it. So hopefully if nothing shows up or happens, I can do a better video on the bike, wire up the GoPro on the helmet and take it for a proper squirt.